Welcome to Eduworld. Now we learn bird's name. This is peacock. Peacock. This is pelican. Pelican. This is owl. Owl. This is eagle. Eagle. This is vulture. Vulture. This is kingfisher. Kingfisher. This is hoopoe. Hoopoe. This is macaw. Macaw. This is hummingbird. Hummingbird. This is hawk. Hawk. This is woodpecker. Woodpecker. This is swan. Swan. This is sparrow. Sparrow. This is crow. Crow. This is robin. Robin. This is cuckoo. Cuckoo. This is quail. Quail. This is cormorant. Cormorant. This is flamingo. Flamingo. This is heron. Heron. This is kite. Kite. This is magpie. Magpie. This is swallow. Swallow. This is seagull. Seagull. This is myna. Myna. This is toucan. Toucan. This is wagtails. Wagtails. This is starling. Starling. This is ostrich. Ostrich. This is guinea fowl. Guinea fowl. This is duck. Duck. This is turkey. Turkey. This is goose. Goose. This is rooster. Rooster. This is penguin. Penguin. This is kiwi. Kiwi. This is parrot. Parrot. This is dove. Dove. This is pigeon. Pigeon. This is hornbill. Hornbill. Thanks to watch my channel. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.